Hello YouTube. Right then, got the templates on the wood. All I need to do now is cut them out, which I'm going to be using this jigsaw, hopefully. Let's see how this goes. Well, there's one. This other one now. So I'll do this outside edge here. There's two. Bit rough around there, but we're alright. We can deal with that. It'll be fine. Now I'm going to cut out the middle, and this is going to be the fun bit. Now actually, no, what I'll do is I'll sand the outside first. Right, don't do this, it's dangerous. No, it isn't really. It's dangerous. Right then, good old bandsaw. This is for another thing I've got an idea for. Doing my lathe. But yeah, I think we can do this on the bandsaw. Roll sleeves up. Free, I can turn it. See how this does. That's all worked. Sort of worked. That'll do. Stand that back. Let's do the other one. They're not too far off each other. Well, in some places. But it doesn't matter. Nobody will notice. It's just a third table. What I want to do. Ruler. Let's put that on. Let's put it that way. Okay. Ruler. Pencil. I want to find halfway down here. This I marked out things, so it's 3.5, so it's 1.5. So looking about there. Let's put this one on. That way around. Other way around. Yep, they line up on each other. Cool. Three. There. Right. We take one of our off-cut bits and we put it down the middle. That's not the middle. The middle. That's the middle. There. There. See, that was the middle. So we're looking at about a width there. So a width. I'm just going to cut halfway through. If it lets me. I'm going to turn it around. Turn it off. Could be thinner, but it'll do. It'll do. All I have to do is do the top bit here. See, we need to widen it. Perfect. There we go. You can see how it's come. There's going to be a block on here all the way around, so that's not going to be an issue. So I can glue those together, and we've got our what's it? There we go. You can see where I'm going with it. There you go. You can see where I'm going with it. There's going to be a thing that comes up here and then a perch for the pigeons, just here. Then it's going to be roofed, so it's going to be strengthened. But it's going to be roofed from about there, and yeah, that should work. I think I ought to glue these together while they're together, and then we can sand them first. I think it needs to come out a little bit on the top. Yeah, just a tiny bit. There we go. That's better. Does it work on there? No, it catches on the thingy. But you get the idea. Right. It's 2 bits done. Now I've got to clean these up and work with that. That does look good.